multidose is a packaging system which streamlines and economizes the preparation of semen doses in pigs, optimizing the application of the soft and quick post-cervical insemination technique. The multidose system consists of a seminal bag for storing diluted semen, an isothermal backpack designed in order to keep the multidose bag in optimal conditions during its application, and an injection applicator, thus ensuring the correct administration of the seminal dose. These elements represent a comprehensive solution so as to guarantee the viability and effectiveness of the swine insemination process. The preparation of the multidose system does not require modifications in the work routine of the seminal dose preparation laboratories. First of all, the spermiogram of the ejaculate will be performed as usual. Once the dilution has been prepared, packaging is carried out by hand in the multidose bag, thus eliminating the need to use traditional seminal dose packaging machines. Therefore, this simplified approach streamlines the process and makes it affordable without compromising quality. The speed and simplicity of the packaging process makes the multidose system a very useful tool in semen dose preparation laboratories because of the reduction in production costs. This is because it does not require the purchase of packaging equipment, and due to the reduction in preparation time for seminal doses. Once the preparation process is completed, the multidose bag will be refrigerated at the standard seminal storage temperature. Its design, with an external aluminium layer, not only improves the thermal insulation of the fluid, but also protects sperm from exposure to ambient light. Its larger volume compared to a standard seminal dose increases its thermal inertia, which reduces its sensitivity to temperature changes during transport to production farms. Once at the farm, the worker will proceed to homogenize the seminal fluid in the bag and place it in the isothermal backpack. The natural movement of the worker carrying the multidose backpack during application will ensure continuous homogenization of the semen. The next step involves assembling the dispensing gun, incorporating the volumetric bellow, which is responsible for dispensing the corresponding volume for each insemination. It is important to purge during the first fill of the bellow to ensure that it is fully charged and operating in an optimal way. It is essential to use cleaning wet wipes to properly clean the vulva in order to prevent possible infections. This process ensures cleanliness of both the inside and outside the vulva. The use of lubricant gel will facilitate the application of the catheter, thus reducing the possibility of causing damage to the mucosa of the genital tract of the sow. Next, after identifying the sows in heat, the guide catheter is introduced in groups of 5 sows. This step aims to relax the cervix, thus facilitating the insemination procedure that will follow. Once the guide catheter is placed in the group of sows, the post-cervical cannula is gently introduced into the sow which has been waiting the longest. This process is carried out in a gentle way, so as not to damage the sows at any time. When the post-cervical probe has reached its optimal position, its correct placement is verified, and the dose is applied using the dispensing applicator of the multidose equipment, injecting it quickly and continuously. During this process, the absence of reflux is observed in order to ensure effective and precise application. After applying the seminal dose, the post-cervical probe is carefully removed and the guide catheter is kept inside the sow. Once the insemination process is finished, the catheters are removed. If reflux is observed during the application of the doses, we must stop the semen injection process. The post-cervical cannula will be removed a few centimeters and the sow will be allowed several minutes to relax. After that, the insemination process will start again. If the cannula cannot be inserted completely, it should not be forced. The sow may not be completely relaxed, so waiting a few minutes and trying again is highly recommended. Multi-dose system is an essential tool for seminal dose preparation laboratories and for those in charge of carrying out the insemination process, since it reduces production costs and the time for both preparation and application of seminal doses.